G'day, Janet Beckers here with a one-word mindset hack that you can use when you're talking to a potential customer and also the hardest person to convert, yourself. It is this. Instead of saying, for example, if you join the program, you say when you join the program. When you're saying to yourself, if I am successful, if I get the sale, you say when I am successful, when I get the sale. You see, there is an expectation that this is going to happen. And it goes into your subconscious and you have that expectation of success and getting what you want. And for your clients, it allows them to visualize, well, that's actually a possibility. Okay, I'd love to hear from you. This is my challenge to you this week. There is no more if, only when. Bye.